So, you're a big fan of monitors, and I don't mean one or two or even three. You are a multi-monitor maniac. You like them big, you like them high resolution, and you need them to work without a lot of troubleshooting. If you're on a desktop, no problem. Most modern video cards can support between 2 and 4 monitors out of the box, but it gets more complicated if you're a laptop power user. That's when you need a dock. The Acel full-function docking station is a $160 device that adds up to 2 additional monitors to your USB 3.0 equipped Windows computer. We've seen these docks before, but where the Acel excels is in the resolution of those monitors. While some USB monitor adapters max out at 1080p or 2K, the Acel docking station can support a single 4K monitor or 2 monitors at 2K. Using the docking station is easy. Power it up using the included adapter, then a single USB 3.0 cable docks the Acel to your Windows 7 or better PC with at least an Intel Core i5 and 4 GB of memory. Windows will automatically install the required display link drivers and make the monitors available to you in the monitor settings. From there, you can move, reconfigure, and set the resolution of your individual monitors just as you would with conventionally connected displays. Now let's talk about those displays. The Acel docking station has 1 HDMI port and 1 full-size display port. The HDMI port maxes out at 2K, while the display port can support a 4K monitor at 30 Hz. Next to the monitor ports at the rear of the docking station is a single gigabit Ethernet port. Together with the 3 USB 3.0 ports and the combo audio jack on the front of the unit, the Acel can be a true docking station, connecting your network, mouse, keyboard, speakers, microphones, monitors, and USB accessories to your laptop with a single connection. We've had many docking stations come through our labs, and at least half of them didn't pass muster. Some of them would stutter video playback, while others would go into strange reboot loops because of poor design. Still, others just straight up didn't work when you tried to drive them at their spec resolutions. Not so with the Acel. The connected USB peripherals were rock solid, the network never dropped out, and we tested the monitors at 1080p, dual 2K, and single 4K. Knowing that you'll most likely use your USB ports to charge your USB devices, Acel has also equipped the first USB port with power charging, which automatically detects the optimal charging current of any connected device, extending the lifespan of your devices. Its small size, smart design, ease of installation, and bulletproof connectivity makes it a smart choice for monitor maniacs with a free USB 3.0 port. Of course, a USB docking station isn't much good if you don't have a USB port. For those users, there's the StarTech Thunderbolt laptop docking station with HDMI mini DisplayPort and gigabit Ethernet. That's a mouthful to say, so I'm just going to call it the StarTech ThunderDock. The ThunderDock is about the size of a TV remote at 7.4 inches by 4.9 inches by 2.8 inches wide and just over 14 ounces heavy. It comes with a power brick, power cables for every corner of the planet, Thunderbolt cable, and a detachable weighted base so it can operate with either a horizontal or vertical orientation. With the ThunderDock, 1 port enters, many ports leave. The rear of the device is decked out with 2 USB 3.0 ports, 2 Thunderbolt ports with mini DisplayPort compatibility, an HDMI jack, and gigabit Ethernet. The front of the ThunderDock adds a 3rd USB 3.0 port and audio jack. Using the ThunderDock is simple. Powered up, connect one of the Thunderbolt ports to your properly equipped Mac or Windows PC, then connect USB, HDMI, Ethernet, audio, and additional Thunderbolt peripherals at will. The HDMI port supports a maximum resolution of 1920 by 1080, while the pass-through Thunderbolt/mini DisplayPort can support monitors with resolutions of up to 2560 by 1440. Video quality was smooth with no jitter, skip frames, or system hiccups, even with motion-rich video and USB transfers happening simultaneously. Unlike some USB to display adapters, Thunderbolt-connected video displays, even those running through adapters, have no lag. Seeing the laptop screen alongside either the DisplayPort or HDMI-connected screen shows no discernible lag, even when the video adapter was taxed with multiple streams of HD video. One note of caution: if you're planning on using the Thunderbolt pass-through to connect a natively equipped Thunderbolt monitor, you can display both the Thunderbolt and HDMI outputs simultaneously. However, if you want to use the mini DisplayPort functionality, it's either or. Plugging in an HDMI-enabled display will disable the mini DisplayPort functionality. Beyond the video capabilities, the ThunderDock gives you full-spec 10 gigabit per second Thunderbolt connectivity, as well as 5 gigabit per second USB 3.0. The ThunderDock supports USB-attached SCSI protocol, or UASP, for faster transfers. When we tested transfer rates with Crystal Disk Mark on our Windows box, the scores from a USB 3.0 flash drive connected through the Thunder dock were almost identical to the scores of the same drive directly connected to our test system. Just for giggles, we plugged the same drive into a USB 2.0 port, and, well, let's just say that if you have a system with USB 2.0 and Thunderbolt, you definitely want a Thunderbolt to USB 3.0 adapter. The Gigabit Ethernet port worked as promised. There have been reports of glitches in getting both Windows and Mac computers to recognize the Ethernet port, but our test unit was up and running in seconds. In all, the StarTech ThunderDock is an excellent addition to the desk of anyone using a Thunderbolt-equipped notebook. It's fast, relatively low-priced, and nearly bulletproof.